Suspend and resume memory, CPU, and FlexNet licenses with SmartSuspend. In this video, we are going to demonstrate the capability of SmartSuspend to release the system resources of a running application, including memory, CPU usage, and FlexNet floating licenses, and return those resources back to the operating system. Here you see the SSRCMD command line utility. SSRCMD handles all the functionality of SmartSuspend as far as launching, suspending, and resuming jobs. In this case, we will be launching a job. The first option is a status directory, which operates as a unique identifier. The second option is a ported host combination for the license server. This allows us to track the license usage. Now that the job is running, we can see that it's allocated a chunk of memory, is using some CPU, and has checked out a license. Now we're going to suspend the application. We do this using SSRCMD as well as the unique status directory that we listed when we originally launched the job. With the job suspended, you can see that the memory has been written to disk and returned to the system, the CPU is idle, and the license feature has been successfully returned to the license server. Now we're going to resume the job. Once resumed, the job will reacquire all the resources that it had before it was suspended. The license feature will be reacquired within the first couple minutes. Suspend and resume groups of processes. SmartSuspend operates on more than a single process. It operates on a group or a process tree, each child process inheriting the SmartSuspend capability from its parent. All the processes then operate as a single job and can be suspended or resumed at once. In this demonstration, we'll launch a bash shell with SmartSuspend. Inside this shell, we'll launch a variety of processes that we can suspend and resume as a single group. The first process we will launch is called memhog. It will do a large memory allocation. Now we can go ahead and suspend this using the SSRCMD command line utility. We need to use the status directory that we used when we initially launched the job. Now let's resume. The job continues. Now let's launch a couple of other processes. We're going to use GLX gears because it provides a good visualization for what's going on. Again, we'll do a suspend. This time the suspend encompasses not only the memhog application, but all of the processes, including GLX gears, the xterms, and the initial bash shell. Now we can resume the job. Once the memory returns to the processes, they begin executing. Now for some final cleanup, we can kill the job with one command.